Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are perfectly okay, right children? So are you all studying at your home? You must all study and practice at your home, right children? So welcome back to another video. In this video, today we will be learning about English grammar. Okay, in English grammar, what we will learn? We will be learning about nouns. Yes, today we will be learning about noun. So let's dive into the video. Noun. So what is noun? Children, we see many things around us. Right children? We see many things around us like school, teacher, hospital, doctor, car, girl, boy, cat, and many things, right? We see hundreds of things around us, right children? All these things have a name, isn't it? All these things, I mean the school, teacher, shop, girl, boy, dog, etc. All these things have a name. What is that name? These naming words are known as noun. Yes, these naming words are known as noun. So, you have understood that a noun is a word that names a person, place, animal and things. Yes, a noun is a word that names a person, a place, animals and things. As we can see, hundreds of things around us, particularly the name of the person, the name of the place, animals and things are called noun. Okay, now let's understand with the help of some example of noun. Let's understand these nouns with some example. Look here, this is Reena, and the word Reena is a naming word given to a person, right? So Reena is noun. This is Reena, and the word Reena is a naming word given to a person. So here Reena is noun. Now look at another example. This is Ravi, and the word Ravi is a naming word which is given to a person. So here Ravi is a noun. Okay, this is a person, right? So the name of the person is Ravi. So here Ravi is noun. Okay, I hope I am clear to you. Now let's look another example. This is a teacher, and the word teacher is a naming word given to a person. So here teacher is noun. Okay, as I have make you understand that noun is a naming word, so here teacher is a naming word. Okay, now let's look into another example. This is a shop. Okay, the word shop is a naming word, and this naming word now is given to a place, right? This place name is shop. So here shop is a noun. Okay, as noun is a naming word which is given to place, thing, animal and etc. So here place means shop. So shop is a noun. This is a doctor, and the word doctor is a naming word that is given to a person. So here doctor is a naming word. Okay, I hope you have understood what is noun, right? Now let's look into another example. This is an hospital. This is a hospital. The word hospital is a naming word which is again given to a place. This is a place, right children? And this name of this place is a hospital. So here hospital is a noun. Now look at this picture. This is a cat. Now can you tell me where is the noun? Here, cat is a noun because the word cat is a naming word given to an animal. So here, cat is a noun. Now this is a cow. Can you tell me, children, where is the noun? Tell me. Here, cow is the noun because the word cow is a naming word given to an animal. Now look into another example. This is a car. Now tell me, where is the noun here? Here, car is the noun because the word car is a naming word and this time it is given to a thing. A car is a thing and this is a noun. Okay? So, I hope you have understood now what is a noun. Come on, repeat with me. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing or animal. Okay, children, let's repeat with me again. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing or animal. I hope you have understood what is noun and how to find the noun. Let us do some exercise. You have to find out the nouns in these sentences. Okay? I hope you can do it right, children. So let's start. I love my mom. Now tell me, where is the noun here? Here, mom is the noun. The word mom is a noun as it is the name of a person. Right? As because it is the name of a person and noun is a naming word. So here, mom is a noun. The next one is, we go to school. Now tell me, where is noun here? Yes, school is the noun. The word school is a noun because it is the name of a place. Now, as I have told you previously that the noun is a naming word given to a person, a place, a thing and animals. So here, a place name is school. So here, school is the noun. I hope you have understood what is noun. Right, children? So do practice it regularly and repeat it again and again. Okay? So till then, we will be seeing you into the next video and practice it at home. Bye-bye.